Hello friends, myself Dr. Akhilesh, your physiology faculty. In this video, I will discuss the physiology of reproductive system. This topic is useful for the NEET, NEXT, INICET, FMG, USMLE, and other entrance exams. So in this video, I will discuss the 10 MCQs with the explanations. Coming to the first MCQ, the SRY gene is located on. So what is SRY gene? S stands for sex determining, R stands for reason, on, Y stands for Y chromosome. So this SRY gene, this is located on the short arm of Y chromosome. So the answer to this question will be the short arm of Y chromosome, that is the option number B. Also remember that the long arm of the X chromosome, it contains gene for androgen receptor. Now come to the question number 2. The chromosome responsible for the production of Mullerian inhibiting factor is. So the answer is that the Mullerian inhibiting factor is produced by the Sertoli cells in the testis. And the chromosome responsible for the development of testis is the Y chromosome. So, the chromosome responsible for the production of Mullerian inhibiting factor is Y chromosome, that is option number B. Now coming to the third question, bar bodies are not present in. So how do we calculate the bar bodies and how can we say that bar bodies are present or not? What happens is the extra X chromosome besides one, it condenses to form the bar body. Extra X chromosome besides one X chromosome, they will condense to form bar bodies. So we can calculate the number of bar bodies by the formula, that is n minus 1. Here n is number of X chromosomes. So now let us look at the options one by one. So option A is XO. This is the Turner syndrome. Here the number of X chromosomes is 1. So the number of bar bodies will be 1 minus 1, that is 0. So here the bar bodies are not present. Now let us look at the option number B. Option B, here there are 2 X chromosomes. So number of bar bodies will be 2 minus 1, that is the 1. So in the option B, there is 1 bar body. In the option C, again here the 2 X chromosomes are there. So number of bar bodies will be 2 minus 1, that is 1. In option D, here the number of X chromosomes are 3. So number of bar bodies will be 3 minus 1, that is 2. So the bar bodies are not present in option A, that is the Turner syndrome. Question number 4. The karyotype in true hermaphrodite is. So what is meant by the true hermaphroditism? Here in the true hermaphrodite, there is one ovary and one testis. This condition is called as ovotestis, and this condition is seen in the cases of the 46XXXY mosaicism. So the answer to this question will be option C, that is 46XXXY mosaicism. Question number 5. The karyotype in Klinefelter syndrome is. In the Klinefelter syndrome, there are 47 number of chromosomes and the karyotype is 47XXY. So the correct answer to this question is option A, that is 47XXY. Question number 6. A tall male with less facial and body hairs present with infertility. The examination findings include small and firm testicles, small penis, and gynecomastia. Diagnosis is. So the features mentioned in the options, they are of the Klinefelter syndrome. So the answer to this question is Klinefelter syndrome, that is option B. Question number 7. A female with 45XO genotype has primary amenorrhea. Most likely diagnosis is. So female with 45XO genotype with primary amenorrhea. This case is of the Turner syndrome, because in the Turner syndrome the karyotype is 45XO. The Turner syndrome is also called as ovarian dysgenesis. This is also called as gonadal dysgenesis. So the correct options to this question is option A, that is gonadal dysgenesis. Question number 8. The karyotype in Turner syndrome is. So in the previous question, I mentioned that the karyotype in Turner syndrome is 45XO. So the correct answer is C, that is 45XO. Question 9. The most common cause of primary amenorrhea is. So answer is the Turner syndrome. So in this question, the correct option is A, that is Turner syndrome. This is the most common cause of primary amenorrhea. Question number 10. All are features of Turner syndrome except. Option A, edema of the hands and feet. This is the true. So this is the feature of Turner syndrome. Option number B, the karyotype is XO. So this is also true, because the karyotype in the Turner syndrome is XO. Option C is mental retardation. This is the false statement regarding Turner syndrome, because here there is no mental retardation, and in the Turner syndrome the intelligence is normal. So this option is wrong. About the option D, streak ovaries. This is true, because in the Turner syndrome the ovaries are small streak ovaries and they are fibrosed. So this option D is also true. So out of the option A, B, C, D, Option C is not the features of Turner syndrome. So thank you very much for watching this video.